Hello everyone, just going to try and summarize my blog with my little video about Frozen in code.org. So basically we can see this code is very simple. On level 1, even if someone has absolutely no coding experience, would be able to do this hopefully. Maybe not really younger kids, but with a little guidance I'm sure they'd be able to. So they can just relate to the words, right? Forward, run, move forward, run. Easy enough. But when you start going through the steps, you start drawing a square, blah, 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 we start getting to more complex ideas that require a bit of computational thinking to unpack everything and solve the problem. So basically, what we have to do is draw on these ideas of abstraction and decomposition and debugging to defeat the challenge. So essentially, really we're just going to evaluate and synthesize and reflect on our thinking, which, remember, Aikara says, very important for the creative thinking process. So basically, first we'll do a bit of exploration here. We'll see what this does. So we've got a bit of information already. They've given us the degrees here. Okay, so we drew a square, and then we turned a little bit, 36 degrees. Fine. So decomposition, what do we have to do? We have to make this pattern. That's okay. That's fine. We've already got one square, so how do we move to the next one? Well, using a bit of abstraction or evaluation, forming an idea about the value of information. The info that's important will be that there is 10 squares in this pattern. So let's try and get 10 squares. So we've got 1. How can we do that 10 more times? Or 9 more times, I should say. So if we do that, that's actually just going to make, increasing that will just increase the amount of squares she draws in the same spot. So we don't want that. So this is just computer language for a square, right? Let's let that decompose for a bit. This is one little problem we've solved. We've got a square. So if we actually just put that inside there, debugging, fixing our algorithm, synthesizing components together, we actually, simplify it and make it really, really easy and really easy to get our heads around. Let's speed her up a bit. There she goes. Fantastic. So as you can see, really, all we did was abstract information, evaluate what's important, decompose, made a square first, and tackle the next problem. And at the same time, we debugged and synthesized or formed an algorithm of our little strategy to attack the challenge. So yeah, thanks guys.